Tianjin Sentinel Electronics was established in 2008. It is a research and development, manufacturing and sales production company. The main products provided by Sentinel are the I/O module that meets the Profinet, EtherCAT and CC-Link IE Field Basic Protocol, I/O Link main station module, I/O Link devices and I/O Link sensors. The sensors are used to monitor the flow rate, pressure, temperature of the sensors, as well as to connect technologies and customize solutions. The products are widely used in the new energy battery charging station, car manufacturing, lighting industry, liquid pressure flow, etc. Sentinel has a professional service team, providing technical support and pre-sale consultations for you 24 hours a day. High productivity, stable delivery greatly shortens the market response time and helps you save time and cost. The company has passed the ISO 9000 quality system certification and is rated as a technology giant growing enterprise, a state-of-the-art technology enterprise, and has won many product patents. Innovation is the continuous driving force of enterprise development. Sentinel is one of the few domestic manufacturers of I/O Link technology. We strive to provide high-performance products and solutions to our customers.